Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nakiya Gregory here. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the King of Christmas tree. It's 8 feet and it's the Prince flocked tree.
I like it!
Right now I'm just unraveling the package here. It comes with the instruction manual, also some gloves for when you're lifting the tree in and out of the box, along with helping while you fluff. I know a lot of times you can get pricked or stuck with the branches. This tree comes with everything you pretty much need. It also comes with a bag where you can place your tree in after you take your tree down, which is really nice because then you don't have to put your tree back into a box. So we're just gonna pretty much just go ahead and get started. I just wanted to say, if you can, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. I have more holiday content coming out for you all. My boyfriend is helping me with the tree. He's pretty much going to be the one picking up the tree parts. I'll just do the fluffing because I am 32 weeks pregnant. So at this time, I was not able to be picking up anything heavy. So I'm just thankful to have him there to be able to help me. So here I am just unraveling the cord that it comes with. I will be plugging that into the wall, but it also comes with a button which you can step on, or it's handheld. It's whatever you decide, but pretty much I always just bend down and press the button. It has a couple different modes, and you all will get to see that at the end of this video. But I thought it was pretty cool that this tree comes with so much. I really got this at a good price, so I was glad to have bought this tree. And it's just so beautiful. When I turned it on for the first time, I mean, this was just so beautiful. We were both just staring at the tree because we just loved it, and I just knew that I wanted a flock tree, especially for my first tree in our home. I just knew for a fact I just needed a nice, good, sturdy tree that I can just keep forever and ever. And this right here is the real deal, you guys. I really love this tree, and we're just gonna go ahead and watch me continue some fluffing.
I'm coming home, yeah. Yes, I'm coming home to you.
So I am 4'8", you guys, so it was seriously hard for me to try to fluff out the top of the tree, and I wasn't able to get all the way to the top. And you can see here in just a moment, the top of the tree is kind of like just looking crazy, but that's because my boyfriend had left at the time. He went out with his friends, so when he got back, he was able to help me, and we were able to get the tree looking nice. But the tree turned out really nice, and I just love it. They have these little connector pieces that you connect to in the middle of each section of the tree, and it was just so easy. The lights were just warm feeling, and it's just so beautiful. This tree is really beautiful. If this tree is something that is in your budget, I say you should definitely purchase this tree. A lot of the times with flock trees, it does have minimum shedding, but this tree didn't really shed a whole lot. I mean, it shed, but it was so easy to get up off my carpet. I mean, it was nothing that a vacuum couldn't do. Yes, but here I am just showing you the different modes that the tree comes with. have made it to the end of this video, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.